The third annual Southern Colorado Juneteenth Festival is happening this holiday weekend at America the Beautiful Park. Our photojournalist Glenn Pierre and editor Brandon Boxdaller worked together to bring us this report of the sights and sounds from the celebration of freedom.
This holiday means so much. It's about freedom, it's about liberation, it's about collectiveness and all of that. So being able to express that with all the different parts of our culture and showing the joy in that is revolutionary.
And trying to create a better future for our next generations to come. That the slaves got that actual message. For this city, Mayor Yemi Mogalade.
It's bringing us together as a whole, you know what I'm saying? It's bringing all nations together, not just blacks. It's bringing, you see just as many as whites, just as many as Chicanos out here.
Yes, sir. This is a momentous occasion.
This is such an inclusive event. It's really not only a federal holiday now, it's such a celebration of freedom.
To be able to be in a city as conservative as Colorado Springs, and for the city to back this and say, hey, we want to make sure that we uplift black voices and black unity and really show this strength of unity for this city, that's beautiful, and that's the most that we could have ever asked for.
Just great for the community to come together on beautiful days and not so beautiful days, and you know, and eat together and laugh together and get to dance together.
And the fun picks up again tomorrow morning starting at 10 o'clock at America the Beautiful Park.